Hi, Cora. I'm Mrs. Custer. I'm with Epic Schools, and I'm going to be your instructor today. The first thing I want to go over is the analysis report from your information. It shows that your strength is geometry and measurement. Way to go. A lot of kids struggle with that, and you're ahead of the game there. What it does show is that you need help with operations and numbers. That is okay because that's what I'm good at, and I can help you with that. There are several standards that I want to focus on with you that have to do with addition and subtraction with two-digit numbers. We need to be solving two-digit numbers, subtraction, addition, with real-world problems. And we can do that step by step. But today, what I want to work on is making change. So, when you go to Sonic and you buy a cheeseburger and French fries, you need to give them the money and you need to know how much money you need to get back. Or if you're working there, you need to know how much money to give the customer back, right? So that is what we're going to work on today, is making change. The first thing we need to review is how much each coin and each bill is worth. We have a penny that's worth 1 cent, a nickel worth 5 cents, a dime worth 10 cents, let's see, a quarter worth 25 cents. And then we have our bills, a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $10 bill, and a $20 bill. We'll be using all of those to learn how to make change up to $20, okay? I have a short video. It's kind of cheesy. The lady has an accent, but it's worth watching. I think you'll get a lot out of it. So we'll watch that in a little bit. That will help you. And then we will practice some together. We'll be making change with, we can make our own little menu and order our own things and make the change of what we get back. Or we could pretend to go to the mall and buy some cute clothes and make change from there. You're going to need to know how to make change everywhere you go in your life. That's why this skill is so important to learn. There are several different ways to make change. You can use quarters to make all the change, or you can use quarters and bills to make the change. You always want to try to do the easiest one first. If you can use dollar bills, whole bills first, that's what you want to use first. And then if you need to get to the change, then you can get to the change next. So say that you buy a sweater and it's $14. Well, you have 20. You give the lady $20. Let's see, she needs to give you change. If it's $14, you want to be able to count up. That's the first strategy we're going to use to make the change. So you would start at 14 and count up to what? 15, which is 1. So there would be $1. And then you want to go from 15 to 20 because you know that 15 to 20 is 5. So the next bill you would get is a $5 bill. You would have a $1 bill and a $5 bill in change. That would be $6 in change. That would be the first example of using whole bills to make change. That's just one example of how you can make change. There are many, many more, and we will get to those eventually. One thing at a time. We'll master that, and then we'll move on to the next skill. Okay, I hope you had a good time today, and it was very, very nice to meet you. Again, my name is Mrs. Custer, and I'm excited to be your teacher, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have an awesome day.